Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to hard reset your Redmi 8 device. Before starting the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So, let's get started. First of all, back up all your important files to another device, because a hard reset will delete all the data from your phone. Then go to Settings and scroll down to the Account and Sync option. Click on Google. From there, remove all the logged-in Gmail accounts. Click on More options, then click on Remove Account. To confirm, again, click on Remove Account. Then click on OK. Now draw your pattern or PIN lock. Once done, go back to the previous menu and go to the Password and Security option. Go to Screen Lock. Now draw your pattern or PIN lock. Here, click on Turn off Screen Lock, then click on OK. After that, make sure you remove the SIM card from your device. That's it. Now let's move to the main process. First, turn off your device. Then press and hold the power button and volume up button together. When the Redmi logo appears on the screen, release the power button. You will now see a menu like this. Use the volume down button to go to the Wipe Data option and press the power button to select it. Then press the power button again. Press volume down, and to confirm again, press the power button. That's it. Your device has been reset successfully. Now go back by pressing the power button and go to the Reboot option. Then press the power button again. That's it. Now you can set up your device just like a new phone. Choose your language, then choose your country. Click on the arrow. Check the agreement box and click on the arrow again. Skip this SIM card option. Skip the network option. Scroll down and click on Accept. You can set a password now or do it later. I am going to skip it. Then scroll down and click on the arrow again. Now choose a launcher and click on Arrow. And finally click on the arrow one more time. So friends, this is how you can hard reset your Redmi 8. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video.